In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the horn assembly on this Ford Ranger. There is only one sitting right behind the grille. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is unplug it, reach in here, push down on the locking tab, which is on the back side, and hopefully your connector slides out. And the reason I say that is because a lot of times these get stuffed with sand and debris from the road because they're right out in the open, and they will be somewhat stuck. So you'll have to work them back and forth. And then all you have to do is unbolt this 8mm bolt right off of the front core support. A lot of times this is stuck also, so just be careful. As the bolt unthreads, support the horn so it doesn't fall out when the bolt comes out. Remove the bolt the rest of the way, and there's the horn assembly. Now at this point it depends what kind of horn you're installing. If it has the ability to use this connector, you don't have to do anything. If you're installing a horn that has spade connectors on it, well, you're going to have to cut this off and install some spade connectors to match the new connector. Line up the horn and put the mounting bolt back on. Thread it on as much as you can by hand. Tighten it up with your tool of choice. However, make sure that this little pin or the tab lines up on the body so that it actually clips in properly. Otherwise, it won't be fully seated. Okay, tighten it up. Reconnect the electrical connector. Make sure that clicks and that it's locked in. I can't take it back out, so that means it's locked. Test it out, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.